Are you tired of wrist pain after long hours at your keyboard? Imagine a keyboard designed to fit your hands perfectly, reduce strain, and boost your typing comfort. The Kinesis award-winning split keyboard offers just that with advanced ergonomics tailored to all body types and preferences through its adjustable split, splay, and tent options. Plus, a clever cable storage compartment keeps your workspace tidy while allowing up to 20 inches of separation when you need it. What sets this keyboard apart is its genuine Cherry MX silent red mechanical switches. These switches deliver a smooth, linear feel with low activation force, making typing quieter and more comfortable. Rated for 50 million key presses, they ensure durability that lasts through years of heavy use. Whether you're typing reports, coding, or gaming, you'll notice the premium feel and reduced noise immediately. Beyond comfort and durability, the Kinesis keyboard offers full onboard programmability without the hassle of drivers. With 9 custom layouts, 8 office hotkeys, and on-the-fly macro recording, you can tailor your keyboard to fit your workflow perfectly. It comes pre-configured with Mac and Dvorak layouts and saves all your settings directly to its 4 MB flash memory. The SmartSet app, compatible with Windows and Mac, makes customization intuitive and seamless. Compatibility is never a concern here. This keyboard works effortlessly with Windows 7 through 10, Mac OS X, Linux, and Chrome OS. Plug it in and start typing, no setup headaches. And with Kinesis engineering these products in the USA since 1992, you get a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, offering peace of mind alongside cutting-edge design. One happy user shared, "This is my go-to keyboard for both home and work. After switching to the ergonomic pads and tilts, my wrist pain disappeared completely, something I never experienced with regular keyboards." The Pro version's configurable setups make switching between Mac and Windows a breeze. I've owned 3, and I always recommend it. If you're ready to upgrade your typing experience and protect your wrists, the Kinesis split keyboard is worth a look. It delivers what you get: unmatched comfort, premium mechanical switches, and powerful customization, all backed by decades of trusted engineering. Try it when you're ready and feel the difference every keystroke makes.